What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another tutorial, and it's honestly no shade. Shout out to Alipearl. Alipearl done got me out of YouTube retirement, baby, and I'm back with another video, and it's really no shade. This wig came pre-bleach, pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-everything. So I love a wig like that where I don't gotta do nothing but a quick install. Yes, I'm the fun stylist, but I'm also the lazy stylist, and it's really no shade. I love the fact that this wig is pre-styled, but I love the curl pattern on this wig even more. I didn't put any product on this hair. I didn't wet it. I didn't put no mousse or anything. The curls were just so tea. I had to leave it be. And that's no shade. Look at this HD lace. This lace was so thin, it melted right into my girl's sky. I didn't have to put no makeup, no lace tint, no nothing. I just did my little boho liquid gold and my little spray, and it was a slay, period. My girl is bald head, so it was a quick install. Like, I literally just slicked her hair back, did her new cap, and then we slapped that wig on. Let me show you. The same liquid gold that I'm using for her new cap is the same glueless product that I'm using for her install. This product is multi-versatile. Is that a word, or did I make that up? I don't know. But this product, you can use it more than once for different things, and it's all glueless. It comes off with water, period. So let me show y'all about this wig, baby. Melt. The baby hair's long. I did have to go and cut the baby hairs a little bit, thin them out a tad bit because they weren't thick at all. But I just, customize. But look at this lace. It blends right into the skin, so it's so easy. And it has a glueless strap. If you don't even want to use gel, you can just use your glueless strap in the back. But I never really use the straps. I just install. No shade. Once again, this is the same gel that I used for her new cap that I'm using for her install. She doesn't really like glue. She usually likes closure wigs, but maybe this is the frontal, so we gotta do it ear to ear, no shade. And so I was like, let me do it glueless so it doesn't bother you. Like, I don't know why she don't like glue, but she don't like glue at all, child. Like, last time I did her hair with glue, she said she had a headache. I said, girl, stop me. But she said she had a headache, so I don't do glue on my girl. Shark, not her. Once I put the liquid gold and I place the lace where it needs to be, I go in with my little spray just to really lock it in and just really give me a strong melt, because we were doing a TikTok after this and I needed it to be extra, extra melted. I'm blow drying before I tie it down because I don't want it to be sticky, ooky, and gooky. You want to blow dry your lace before you tie it down, period. That's just how it goes. That's how the cookie crumbles. Get into this melt, y'all. I can't make this up. It's not glued down, but it is secured. And that's no shade. Shout out to Boho. Now I'm just going in and making these baby hairs make sense for my client. Specifically, like, it comes with baby hairs. They're already curled, everything, but you do have to customize it to your liking just so it can work. Period. And that's just what that was. Right here, I'm just blending out that new cap a little bit more. The lace is HD, and the H is for extra HD because you can see right through this wig. So make sure you melt your cap all the way. Make sure you melt your cap. But yes, everything was perfect in the end. I love this install. I'm actually obsessed. I went in and added little diamonds, a little rhinestone for some razzle dazzle. Nothing major. And this is the final look. Shout out to Alipearl for sending me the bust down, the curly wig, pre-style, pre-bleach, pre-pluck, bust down. Shout out to Alipearl. And the P is for pre. Period. Shout out to my girl Shari. She looked so cute in this hairstyle. It was so cute. We did an early 2000s vibe for our video. So this hairstyle just went perfect. All the info for this wig will be in my description below. Shout out to my SBM gang. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and comment. Bye, y'all.